Well, welcome back, and today I'm going to be adding some shims to the Backcountry XRS. Basically, they go on the foot pegs down here to basically add a little bit more grip so that you can put your foot in there and not have as much sloppiness. As you can see, they come in two different sizes. There's a 20 mil and then a 10 mil, which is just slightly smaller. For myself, I think I'm going to actually try the 20 mil and see how it goes. It looks like just testing it there that my foot will fit a lot better with it, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. The other thing I noticed, I don't know if well, you probably see it on the camera here as well, but it looks like I guess these were made in two different batches because one's really black and the other one's kind of a grayish. And it's the same with the smaller ones as well, so they must have been done in a couple different batches. But it also does come with all the hardware, as you can see down the bottom of the bag there. So I guess we'll get to it and get this installed. So basically to install these, there's two different ones. This one here, these holes match with these little protrusions here. So basically, you just gotta push it until you get it in. There we go. And then there's two little screws that came with it. They're an 8mm. Actually, give me a second and I'll get those in and I'll show you the finish here. So as you can see here, I had to basically take off the side to be able to reach in there a little bit easier. I kind of had to get down on the floor to be able to look up and get the screws in place. They are quite a tight fit to try to get them in. I ended up threading them in first and then putting the rubber piece in. And that seemed to work a lot better than that because the holes kind of need to be reamed out a little bit. But yeah, once it got into place, I had to kind of, shuffle it around a little bit to be able to line up the holes and get the screws to go in. Once they were in, I torqued them down to about 40 inch-pounds. And yeah, basically that's what they look like. So again, those are the footholds, the shim plates for them. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.